Today we're gonna make soy sauce pork belly, and that's the pork belly we're gonna use. And this time you can use with the skin on it or no skin, you know. Then we use about maybe 1.25 pounds meat, and first we have to boil them in boiling water. Just put it like that. And cook it like that, like for 10 minutes. And you also put little gingers and green onion into it. Okay, it will take like 10 minutes. Hey, that should be right time right now. We already cooked like over 10 minutes. Put the cover on, and we're going to drain the water. Alright, then you see the pork belly? We just drain the water and we kind of dry them with paper towel, just like that. Yeah, just like that. Then we cut it pieces like that. In the big trunk like that. Then we're gonna fry that up right now. Then we're gonna put some oil, vegetable oil in it. So we fry these up. Then we're gonna put some sugar in it, about 2 tablespoons sugar. Okay. Then we put about 2-3 little bit of cooking sherry in it, cooking wine. And we put about a cup of water in it. Half a cup of soy sauce. Also a couple five-star seed spice. And a couple chunk of ginger, and a few pieces green onions. So you just do that, and we cover them up, and then it's boiling for about 1 hour. Okay, then so this pork is about done. So it takes like probably between 45 minutes, hour. Then we shut off the fire. Then we also cook some vegetable on the side. Pak choy, the Chinese Shanghai pak choy. Okay, and we're gonna scoop this up. Yeah, there you go. And also, you try it. You know, you use take one up and eat it and see they are tender enough. If they're not tender, you can cook long time, or yeah, I think that's it. And that's Chinese pork belly with soy sauce.